What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel here. 2018 CRF250R oil change video, the best one on YouTube. I'm not going to waste a ton of your time, just going to show you how to do it with common sense, quick and easy. Now this should work on 18 to 21 CRF250Rs. That's this generation. You can see we've got the tank and stuff off this one. We've done quite a bit of work to it. Top end, fork seals, linkage, all kinds of stuff. But oil change today, what are you going to need? I got a paper towel, 8mm T-handle, a 6mm Allen, something to drain your oil in. You're gonna need a 116 oil filter. That's the K&N number. A lot of different oil filter companies use that number, 116. And you're gonna need some standard 1040 motorcycle oil. You can run synthetic if you want. Around the shop here, on most of the bikes, we just run the regular 1040 Yamalube or Honda GN4, something similar to that. They're virtually the same thing. First thing we're normally gonna do is start the bike up and get it warm, drain the oil out. This bike just had a fresh top end. We don't wanna start it up. We're just gonna get this old oil out of there. And you're only gonna have one drain on this. And depending on what kind of skid plate you have, you might have to take your skid plate off. This skid plate, we can get to the drain. It's a 6mm Allen. Absolutely brand new. Absolutely brand new. All right, let's go ahead and inspect our drain plug here. You got a copper washer. In my experience, you can reuse these quite a few times. You can see this drain bolt has been torqued on by somebody a few times. It's about halfway stripped, so that kind of stinks, but we'll just have to deal with it. Now when you get that started draining, you can come over here and go ahead and take off your filler cap just to make sure there's no vacuum pressure holding any from coming out of there. Your oil filter cover is right here on the right side of the bike, 2 8mm. Go ahead and take those off. Okay, and then sometimes you'll see some dirty oil laying there in your kind of oil filter reservoir there, so we're just gonna wipe all that out, get it real clean. Okay, you've got a spring, and then the filter just sits on the end of there. Okay, once you get your new filter on and the spring on the end of it, just gonna slide it back in. Seen a couple videos of people kind of worried about the direction this goes or marking it. Guys, it can only go one way. See how there's way more space on that side than on this side? That's so you can only put this cover on one way so that you have the oil passage here correctly so it flows through the filter. So you're just gonna pop this on. Now when you tighten these bolts up, tighten them up a little bit on each side because you want that filter cover to go in straight. Otherwise, you could cut that O-ring. You can reuse that O-ring many, many times as long as you put this on correctly and don't cut it. Also, don't worry about torque specs. These are 6mm bolts. They don't require torquing. Snug them down. The worst you're gonna get is a little bit of leaking if it's too loose. You just tighten them down a little bit. If you try to go torquing these, you can very easily break them, and then you're going to the machine shop or buying a new inner clutch cover. It's just not worth it. All right, now that our oil's drained, we're gonna put our drain bolt back in and snug it up nicely. All right, I forgot to mention earlier, you might want to grab a funnel. And then the capacity on this bike is just basically 1 liter even. Put your oil filter cap back on, and before you start it, crank your starter over a few times. Let that oil cycle just a little bit. Let the oil pump move it around, then start the bike and go rip. Thanks for watching. I will put links to these products in the description. If you appreciate these videos, just grab your oil change stuff from the description down there. Thanks. This is the best 2018 to 2021 CRF250R oil change video on YouTube. See you in the next one.